We're gonna start with the questions. Thank you very much.
So I'm going to just ask a few questions, and the crowd is also open to asking questions after we're done.
Yeah.
So the king of Dambolo, Koffi, we welcome you to the Tupac. We respect you. You've been in the industry for so long, and thank you for finally gracing us with your presence in Australia. So for the show in Perth, we'll have a couple of local talents opening up for the floor for you on Friday. We just wanted to know if you have any words of inspiration to give them.
First, I want to greet everybody to say happy I am to be for the first time in my life in Australia.
We are happy to see you too.
Thank you, thank you. It was more than a dream, more than a wish, a dream, and it comes true. Apart, I'm a bit sad because only a part of my band is here. Sorry, but next time we must perform.
Yes, yes.
And the performance must be high level.
Yes.
I don't know. Oh, Papa. I don't know if you can.
Yes.
I don't know if you can guess how it's difficult to perform with 50% of your band.
Yeah.
And the biggest regret, I have the most beautiful female voice of Africa is not here. So you understand?
Next time.
And this guy, I must say thank you to Bossman. He fight like 3 months to get a visa for the most beautiful female voice of Africa. But he didn't win the fight. I'm very sad, and every day she calls me crying.
Next time.
Crying.
She's here in spirit. She's here in heart. In heart.
You know,
Just stay quiet.
and there's someone who say, who repeats next time. It's easy. It's Friday is Friday. And you must be happy. Oh, Papa.
Bro. Brilliant. Bro.
Okay, next question, please.
Come. Voilà. One more voice. Bro, we're gonna get on. You are doing the job. Is that okay?
The way
You are doing the job.
No, I can't speak English.
One more job.
The way
Is that okay?
me, like I live in Brisbane.
Okay, stay quiet. Just stay quiet. Next time, bro, we say you are doing the job.
If you go slowly, I can't understand. I'm trying to answer.
So the younger,
No, you
people,
do
the
again.
younger artists nowadays, they tend to sing more of rap music, and we, as a community, we want them to sing more of Lingala and like African music, so to keep your legacy going. So my question is, how are you going to help like inspire them to stay away from the rap music and go more into the African?
So you have finished with my concert. You are finished now with the battle rap of young men.
So
I can't believe it.
No, we don't want the
You
young
are any more interested by my concert?
No, we are interested in
Incredible. Another question, please.
Hi, Mr. Koffi Olomide. I would like to ask you a question. How are you finding Perth with the...
Oh, Australia is wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Not everywhere, but I think like I've been in Adelaide, Adelaide, and then Melbourne, and what I've seen till now, because today I crossed the town. Very beautiful. That laws and rules are too hard to have someone like Cindy want to come to sing for you and go back.
Yes.
They refuse the visa. Cindy is not a needy. I'm not.
Yeah.
We are professional. We have been everywhere, Russia, US, everywhere in Africa. But to sing in
Australia.
In Australia, in Perth, Melbourne, Sydney, and go back. Sometime, next time, like a year, next time, fight. The community must fight for that type of problem, of case.
Yes.
I believe that Cindy, Ferry, Gaga, San Marino, all the musicians, they won't become, they can't come here to stay forever. Because we used to travel across the world. We sing, you must fight, you must fight for this case.
For the African
not only today, after me, start fighting.
Amen.
Try to meet the congressman, the authority. They explain that our artists, if they want to come to give us good time, that's over.
Yes.
I mean, now I finished to be singer. I'm the Congolese cultural ambassador.
Yes.
That's why I asked this guy if it could be possible I meet some authorities in my quality of ambassador of cultural. But I don't know how I can start. Who are
Yes.
Yeah, if possible, I wish to meet the cultural minister of Australia to explain this problem.
Yes. I can introduce you to.
Okay, thank you.
I can introduce you to someone because this is something that I'm also.
So get in touch with my producer.
Yes.
It's very important. But I know he's a big fire. This guy, he's a big fire. He's a professional, and if you can get in touch with him, something perhaps could happen. Can you understand my English?
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay.
Your English is good, yes.
Good or very good?
Very
good.